I wake up earlier thinking that I'll be here by 10, naambiwa governor ngojea, hatuja fix sijui machine ya kufanya nini. No, it's wrong. I don't expect this one to happen again. Yeah, sasa kama Mungu kwa mnafanya, mnaniambia mimi mwenyewe nakuja nafanya na saidia nyinyi, ndiposa mpate credit for your department. Hapa MCAs, they're supposed to go back to the assembly. You know, you cannot inconvenience every person. That's wrong. Kids for that. I want to apologize to all of you. Hata waliposimama, they not even bother to do what? To apologize. Tusamehe tafadhali. Kwa sababu, you know, we must be mindful. Kuna watu hapa wako na sukari hawajakula. Si ndio? Poleni. Kwa hivyo waziri, I must pick a quarrel with you later on this. Allow me to be very brief. The chairman of Education Committee in the Assembly, members of the County Assembly were present here, executive members present, county government workers, the teachers of our vocational training centers for this exercise, where we were issuing professional sewing machines to the centers for training, as well distributing a number of tree fruits to our primary schools that the MCAs chose. If I want again to put it clear that the MCAs gave us those centers because they are the managers of, again, those wards. They are the ones who chose those schools that will be distributing to the tree fruits. I wish to thank you for the work you are doing in training and empowering our youths. Indeed, your commitment to providing quality education and skills training is vital for the growth and prosperity of our county. My administration is keen on improving service in all our VTCs by availing equipment and other training materials. Today, we are issuing hand sewing machines to 59 VTC centers to be used in the instructions of training while taking tailoring courses across the county. We are also releasing 135 filing cabinets, with each ward receiving the 3 cabinets for our ECD centers, which are also